Model 2017 Ford Transit Custom 290L2 diesel front-wheel drive 2.0 TDCi 105ps high-roof van body, white, panel van mileage, 76,332 engine, 1,996 cc 2.0 TDCi 105ps transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive mechanical summary, non-runner does crank on full 24V from the pack. Engine looks low on compression, will need repairing, gearbox and clutch look all good. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean, genuine honest work van. Well looked after van. Features, 1 former keeper, part service history, electric windows EU status, Euro 6 HPI, clear cap retail. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively,